In the heart of the Amazon, Maria, a passionate ecologist, leads a group of women in a groundbreaking ecotourism project. Their mission: to protect the rainforest while empowering local communities. Maria's vision transforms challenges into opportunities, teaching women to guide tours, share knowledge, and preserve their heritage. As the project flourishes, the forest thrives, and the women gain confidence and independence. Maria's leadership inspires a global movement, proving that women can be powerful stewards of nature. Her story echoes through the trees, a testament to resilience and the power of women to change the world.